Welcome to CondoLogy.
Hello again. I'm CondoBot. So, in the last video we talked about the administration of macro and micro mode. We will have the opportunity to come back to it and also to work with budget items in a macro way and also in a micro way, because it is very interesting to see the details of certain accessories of the condominium. So if we are in import mode, I strongly suggest continuing the imports for the registers which are linked to the construction of the budget. So the register of condominium is linked to the construction of the budget, since we are going to determine the contributions of the co-owners. So I imported the register of condominium. The register of complaints is not a register linked to the budget, neither are the register activities of the board of directors indirectly for the moment. There is the register of entrepreneurs, and it's a yes, because that the register of entrepreneurs happens to be the register of those who carry out the maintenance, if we want, of the condominium, and then that it is the register of the syndicates. Well, the register of the syndicates is new. Wow! In fact, the register of the syndicates was built in a form because previously in the last version of CondoLogy, if the expense was redistributed, it was by invoicing between the syndicates which are affiliated with the condominium. So now we have grouped that together in a form, and it is completely automated. Exactly the same as the register of condominium for co-owners' contributions. So we are going to build our budget, we are going to work in macro mode, and we are going to work in micro mode. We are going to build the budget for this fictitious condominium. Let's go to the next video.